Then plotting the gasoline prices. So again, you can plot the gasoline prices for a particular index. So while the index is greater than a particular value, you can plot. Otherwise, you need not plot. Is what construction should you use to loop over a block of code a given number of times? So which you will be using to run a loop for a given number of times? Same in answer. So which loop you will be using for running the code for a given number of times? If, for, switch, while. I think it is for. Yes. So you know the number of times the code is going to run. While depends on the condition. So you never know how many times the loop is going to run, right? For loop, it will be running definitely till the index variable is going to change. Which of the following produce an error as the first line of while loop? Same in answer. Which will produce error? X and Y are variables in workspace. While true, while is equal of x comma y, while index equal to 1 to 5, while x greater than 5, while x is less than 5. Which one is going to produce error? A, B, C, D, E. Which one is going to produce error? In while, can you use index? I don't think so. This should produce error. Yes, only in for loop you can use index. In while, you cannot use index. Remember that. So this is the summary of while loop we have learned today. So while loop is for executing a particular set of lines when the condition is being true. Otherwise, it will come out of the condition. Okay. So that is what we have for the day. And a simple project is there. So that project is, it is going to be using the data already. The data we have worked with population, other things, right? So we will be executing if else based on those projects. So we are not going to see the project today. So I think the task for the day is over.